toy with a frozen top.
Open this?
Can I open this?
Well, that's a frozen. Open it. Open it. Open it. Open it.
Oh, he got us all different toys. How do I open it?
Okay, let's see. You use scissors. Go get me the scissors.
Okay.
Owie?
It's for my daddy.
Yeah? What? Let me see, Annie. Show it to me.
What
Is
is
that a
it?
harmonica?
Show it to me.
Oh,
It's not fitting.
Ooh, what is that?
It's supposed to be.
How does this thing work?
A mermaid.
Oh, it looks really cool.
It's probably a bells.
It's yours.
Yeah.
Absolutely. What did you get, Owie?
Did he touch it?
Owie!
Oh, he didn't even look at them.
Owie, what'd you get?
Yeah, I did.
No, he didn't.
What did you get, Owen?
So you put his name there.
Oh, did you leave a crayon? He can't. He can't leave any trace.
What?
Look at mine. Look mine. Oh, cool.
What's that? Is it a key?
Yeah. Yeah, cute.
He can't tell you his real name.